Hi everyone, my name is John, and I'm excited to be talking about one of the best AI tools out there, ChatGPT. In this video, I'll be showing you how to integrate ChatGPT into your Google experience and get quick and accurate answers to your questions. To start using ChatGPT, simply go to the Merlin website, which I'll link in the description, and add the extension to your browser, either Chrome or Firefox. Once you sign up, you'll see the Merlin logo in your browser and be able to use it right away. Let's say you're on Google and want to know how to code a custom WordPress site. Just type your question into Google and click on the Merlin icon. Within seconds, you'll have a step-by-step guide in the code right in front of you, ready to copy and use. Not only that, but you can also use ChatGPT on platforms like Facebook and LinkedIn. If you have a question, simply click on the Merlin icon and get a quick answer. It's that simple. So why is ChatGPT so powerful? It's an advanced AI platform that's been designed to give you the best answers possible. Whether you're looking for a short answer or a more detailed response, ChatGPT has got you covered. In conclusion, if you're looking for a way to improve your experience on Google and make your life easier, then ChatGPT is the tool for you. So go ahead and give it a try, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.